Hi my beautiful homegirls and my handsome homeboys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to get your website looking like mine or somewhere close with Big Cartel. I'm going to tell you now, there are not a lot of Big Cartel videos out there, so I'm out here to help you. So the name of my website is Tootsienailss.bigcartel.com. And so it's right here. I'm just going to go ahead and go to it. So this is how my website looks. If you couldn't tell, hot pink and yellow, those are my colors. And I'm just going to show you all a couple things on my website. So as you guys seen, this is the home page. I'm going to be telling you all how to get this. So I have the VIP and the welcome to Tootsienailss. I'm going to tell you all how to get that. And if you, I'm telling you now, it's steps and it's a process, okay? From there you have this product thingy thing up here, and this is just all my collections. Then you have info, so any other pages that I created are going to be under info. I have my frequently asked questions about the owner, custom orders, policies and shipping, subscribe and contact. Every Big Cartel website automatically has a contact. That's something you don't have to set up. I have my search bar over here. And then of course you have the cart and things of that nature. You scroll down, you have all of your social media. And then I have mine set up to where you can have a quick view and just see what you need to see. Pick pictures down here that change and things like that. And then of course you could exit right back out over here and continue shopping. And then you have view all products. You know, go to the next page. Sort by. This isn't something that I set up. It just comes automatically. And then featured over here. It's the same as Big Cartel does have plans. They also have it to where you can have the free plan. If you go to their website and then go to pricing, you're going to see all of these. I have the $9.99, but what I did before I did the $9.99, let me go back. Before I decided to do the $9.99 per month, I did use this one, the free one, just to build my website first. And then when it was time to launch and I had more products, I went ahead and got the $9.99. And yes, there's a huge difference in both of them. This video is just going to be about the design. So I'm going to use this test account, and you're going to go to account. After you click account, you're going to scroll down and go to custom design. And then this is just from, yeah. So up here in these right here, it's kind of like a folder, and then you're going to click that and it's going to bring you to all these things. Do not let the way they look now discourage you. They have all of these. The two main ones that you're going to see a lot, and this is kind of how I recognize who use Big Cartel or not. Most people from Big Cartel, they use Luna, which is the very first one. And I could tell because when you're on your phone, it has like the three little thingy things up here. That's how I can tell. And then a lot of people also use the one that I started off with. I started off with this one, but it's not the one that I use for my website for how it looked now. But I started off with this one as well, and it's nice because it's going to give you different options, stuff like that. And then you have this, and then you have the shopping bag on the side. So I thought that was cute. But we're gonna go to the one that I'm using now, and then I also have this one. I thought it was cute, but I wanted a more simple website. So the one that we're gonna be using in this video is Roadie, which is the second one, and this is how it looks. So you know, I took this and turned it to this. So you just have to customize stuff to your own desire. You're going to go where it has like a little wrench, which is right beside the themes. And you're going to have all of this on the side right here. This is where you start off with your coloring and all of that. So first you have your logo. You can add your logo. I'm just gonna go through and type in cute logo. I'm gonna use a random, well, I already added my logo, never mind. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. I guess I didn't. Let me see. We're gonna just go in and type up cute logo. I don't have any copyright to this logo. I'm just picking random stuff to make this video. So we're gonna go with this one. I'm gonna click save image as, and you're going to want a transparent background for your logo. So you go to logo, enter. I'm just gonna put it right there. Then the background, so when I first started off, and then there you go, you have the logo. But when I first started off, I wanted a hot pink background. Let me tell you guys something. I'm not saying that if you have a color background it's unprofessional, but if you look at very well developed companies and look at their websites, you always see a white background. So the white background is just, to me personally, and a lot of older people, it looks more professional. And literally within a week of launching my website, I changed my background to white because it just looks so much more professional. So where it says background image, it's going to be a repeating image and it just doesn't look well if you click that. So I'll leave that open. This is what it looks like if you put something where it says background image. Oh no, it doesn't repeat. It's just a nice cute little background image. Oh wow, y'all just learned something. But if it's too small, it's going to be a repeating image. So what you could do is you could have your logo as your background image. I just chose to go with white, but I might change that to my logo. No, that's doing too much. Then your promo image. So we're gonna come back to promo image, but your promo image is this. See how I have this? That's your promo image. I did that with my promo image. And how it says welcome to Tootsienaills online store, I also did that a part of my promo image because there's nowhere you can add, like literally nowhere you can add where I put welcome to Tootsienaills online store. You can't add that in Cartel. So I'm going to tell you how I did add that into Cartel. Up here where it says receive free shipping when you spend $60 or more, use code Tootsie60ship. That is this right here. It says announcement text. It's right under font. Let's see, this is a YouTube video. This website is for practice. Yep. And so if you look up here, you see it like that, then you get to customize the band. So I guess we're going to use white and light pink and dark pink because that's what this random logo that I chose was. So you're going to go back to where you see all of these colors. You're going to see where it says badge. Oh, not badge. I'm so sorry. Where it says announcement message background. You're going to go and you're going to change that to whatever. I say we're going to change it to like a light pink. Ooh. Well, that's not the light pink that's on our logo. Anyways, we're just going to change this light pink. And if you want to change the color, right above it, it says announcement message text. And then you can change the color there. I'm not going to change the color because white and pink goes together. So you can also change the background if you wanted one color. You just go to background. It's literally the first one and just change it. I'm going to keep it white. Text color, you can change that. You can make like on my website, you see all of my text is hot pink, hot pink, hot pink, hot pink. Like all of it is hot pink. So you go to text color and you change it here and just move around till you find the one you like. That's how I got my hot pink. And to make sure that all my hot pink was the same, I click on it and over here I just 1, 2, 3 right click it, copy. After I copy, I would go to another thingy, like let's say I want the badge background color. triple click it, right click, and then I click paste, and then I click enter. You have to click enter. And the badge, you're not really going to be able to see the badge and what it's talking about until you create a product. And I'm going to do another video for you guys to see how to create a product. And yeah, so I'll be right back. I want to create a couple products, just random products, so you guys can get the full feel of how this is going to look. Okay, so I just went in and added 3 products because I want y'all to see. So remember I copy and paste the color where it says badge background color. The badge is the on sale. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. The badge is the on sale, right? So that's why the on sale background color is the hot pink, because I copied and pasted right here. The badge text color, how the on sale is black. You can also change that, and let's say I wanted it white. You just go over here, click it, and change it to white. So it changed from black to white. Right here, the quick view, you see how the background is black. You're going to go to where it says button background color right here. You're going to click it, and you're going to make it whatever color you want. So see how it just changed, and before it was black. We're going to keep the text white. See where it says border color? The borders are all these lines that you see that are black. So we're going to change that to a light pink. And now it's light pink, or it was supposed to be light pink, but that don't look light pink. Anyways, I want to say that these are not my images, and this is just for practice. So you see how when you click, when you go, it's pink, but when you hover your mouse over it, it's blue. Blue does not match in our color theme. So where it says button hover color, you're going to change that to white. No, we're going to change that to like a light pink. Okay, so this is when you're not hovering over it, and then this is when you do. It just changed to a lighter pink. Okay, then you see it's still blue when I hover over the text. So you're gonna go to where it says link hover color. You're gonna click on it, and then you're going to change it again to whatever color you would like. We're gonna do another light pink. You wait for it to process, and it's going to say updating preview over here every single time. So now it just gets very light, the light pink. So that's the basics of your colors and things of that sort. And you want to play around with your you want to play around and click to make sure that all the colors go together. So you want to click, like when I type, you know, you want to make sure that the letters are a different color other than white, or a color that's going to look good against white, because that's what your background is. So you wouldn't want your text to be white because your background is white. So far we've covered everything. We've covered the banner. Now we're going to go back home, and I'm going to tell you guys how to create your promo image. So this is my promo image, from Welcome to Tootsienaills store, in this right here. That's all my promo image. So I'm going to show you guys how to create your promo image. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys how your website is going to end up looking if you follow these steps. Mobile, because the desktop version, which is computer or laptop, and then the mobile version, which is your phone, they always look different no matter what. But same colors, everything's still the same. It just has a little bit of a different setup. So I wanted to show you guys that. Also, go check out my website, which is down below, to get a better look and view and feel of how the websites turn out. So first we're going to go into Google, and we're going to look up a whole bunch of different backgrounds. You're only going to want to choose one background. And so again, I'm just using random stuff to put this together. So yeah. So if you have an iPhone, you can just click on the picture, hold it down, and then click add to photos, and it's going to save to your camera roll already. After you do that, you want to go into Fonto. Oh, I'm so sorry. You want to go into PixArt. So download that. Just exit out of the thingy things. So after you go to PixArt, You want to basically just click the plus sign, go to photos, and then click that image that you just saved. After you click that image you just saved, you're going to put whatever text or stickers or whatever you want basically. Oh, sorry. But put your text, images, whatever you want basically on that banner. I use the VIP stuff, and yeah. I did speed this up like really fast because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to put on the banner, and I had to make up a name and all of that. So anyways, you're going to go ahead and put stuff how you want it. Then you're going to click save. Then you're going to go into an app called Fonto. It's red with a white P and like a pencil. Go to the app store and download that. You're going to click the camera and then click where it says plain images. You're going to click the black image. Then you're going to click on that little brown square box and click remove. Then you're going to go at the top and mess with the image size. You can either go to the 4:3 or the 3:2. I can't remember which one I used, but either one is fine. Make sure you use the rectangle looking one, or is that a square? The one that's longer in length. That one. And then here you're just going to click the 3 bars in the left corner. You're going to click what you just made from PixArt, and then you're going to click done. Then you're basically going to make it bigger and fit. So you see the checkerboard background, that basically makes sure that it's a transparent background, so that was going to fit in your website, whatever your background is in your website. So after you have it fit, you want to leave a little bit of space at the top because that's where you're going to put your welcome text. So like welcome to mine said welcome to Tootsienailss. So you just click the extra space that you have, and then you click add text. It's going to pop up once you click it. You can go ahead and type whatever you want to type. I use this again to say welcome to Tootsienailss online store. That's what I put. At the bottom it says align center. You can change that up. I would just click center. You can also mess with the font, and then you click done. You want to make it a little bit bigger, and you want to fit it within that little square checkerboard background, and you want it to be higher up. You want it to be spaced between that and the banner. You can also go and change the color. You just click style, and yeah, your color cannot be the same color as your background on your website. So you can't use white letters if your background is white because it won't show up. So after you do that, go in the right corner, click that weird button, and then click save. After you save
Legendary
it,
chicken.
that's their little commercial. But after you save it, email it to yourself. And then after you email it to yourself, so that way you can get it on your computer. Okay. Whew. So you're going to email it to yourself. You go click on it. Then you're going to go up here and download it. The fact that it's white, don't even worry about it. It's transparent. And then if you have a white background, it doesn't matter. I want to stress that when you go and type on Fonto, you want to make sure that if you have a white background, don't make your letters white. Okay, they have to be a different color. I suggest you make them the same color as the rest of your letters. But we're back in Big Cartel, and we're gonna go back. My camera setup is a little different, so I'm trying to fix it. But we're going to go back over here. We're going to go to where it says promo image and click the plus sign. Since you downloaded it, you're going to go up to the very first one, double left click it. It's going to load. This is a pretty big file, I guess you could say. So it's going to take a little longer, maybe a minute or so, and then boom, there you have it. And it's all the same. And I actually think this is really cute. This is cute. Child might have to change my website. This is cute. Now I do suggest for this promo image, you don't want to put in this part, you don't want to put welcome to the cute poppin' store or whatever. You don't want to put the welcome because you want that welcome to be above how we did it in the previous clip. I would suggest you put something that you want to highlight on your website. That is what you would put here. That's why it's called a promo image, but you can honestly just put anything you want. I put, you know, I put the whole VIP thing because this is something that I want to highlight on my website, and if you don't know about it, you know, you would overlook it unless you go to info and you know, people are curious, so 9 times out of 10 someone would click info. Next, we're going to learn how to add pages. So where it says info on my website, you see how it has all these pages. The frequently asked questions page, see how I have that. I have a about the owner page. Ooh. I have a custom orders page because this is a press on business. I have a policies and shipping. Everyone needs to have a policies and shipping. I have the subscribe, which is, you know, how you become a VIP member. And of course, I want you to, if you're doing something for a VIP member, like, you want to include, like, you know, steps. And then you also want to constantly look at your website once you finish, how it looks on the computer versus how it looks online. It looks a little different. I'm going to show y'all at the end of this video how mine looks on mobile. So the instructions are a little different, and you know, you just want to catch people's eyes and stuff like that. You see I added the emoji purr. Anyways, we're gonna go back here, and I wanted to show you all how to add pages. You're gonna go back up here where it's like a little paper. You click it, click the add button right here. Then you're going to title the page, and you're gonna put whatever you want to say in the page. I'm gonna be doing a video soon to show you guys how to insert, because you cannot copy and paste the images in here because it might show up for you, but when your customers come and look on, it's not going to show up for them, and it's going to look like an error image. So stay tuned for that. But I'm going to do a couple of these because I just want you guys to see. And then you click done. After you when you click done, that's just, now it's going to give you a preview. Once you are okay with the preview, you're going to go ahead and click save, because if you exit without clicking save, you will lose all of that work. So we're gonna go back to the home page. This is what we have so far, and then you're gonna go to where it says info, and if you're on the computer and you hover over it, it's gonna show you these. So that's how you create a page, and then of course, you know, you could click on the page. And like I told you all, I didn't create this contact page, it comes automatically. This is how the contact page looks. Is it really cute, simple. I told you Big Cartel creates the contact page on everyone automatically. You can always change your font. You know, the fake name that I created, Cute Poppins, came from the font right here. Something else, after you get done with the colors and the font, you have all of this. Okay, so for the URLs down here, if you look on my website at the very bottom, you have all of these. You click it, you click this, it's gonna take you to the YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, and so on, so on. So you literally just copy and paste the link to all of them. We're gonna go back here. So price display, it says currency sign. If you want to show the code, that just means it's going to show like the US dollars or whatever right here. That's the only difference. Show inventory bar, I don't suggest you do that because it's just going to look very messy. That's something you need to know, not your customers. Number of related products. So when you click on a product and you scroll all the way down, these are the related products. So you know, have a certain number of related products. and you change that where it says number of related products. Products per page, I changed mine to like 12, I think it was. No, I changed mine to like 6 or something. I don't know, but you want to space them out, but you don't want to space them out too much. You still want the page to look full. Featured products, so the featured products are just the ones that are on the home screen, which are these. And so you just come over here where it says featured products, and you just choose how many you want on the screen. Featured products order, you can do the newest, the top selling, the most viewed, and then it will just automatically fit to whichever one you choose. I chose newest because I want you to see the newest things every single time you enter my website. Secondary product images, I didn't touch this. You have the full width. It looks tacky when you do the full width because they could all be different sizes, so just go with thumbnails. It says mobile product grid style. Mobile is your phone. Let me zoom in some. Alright, yeah, so mobile is your phone. So you can say you want 2 products across, which means it's going to look like here, 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 here. Or you could say stack, no grid, so it's going to be like a consistent scroll. I don't like the scroll when I'm on other people's websites on my phone, so I did the 2 products across because 1 product across is, yeah. So that's that. So you have product grid info. Where do you want the information? So like this right here. You could put it on the left, you could put it on the right. Show hover, I really like that on online. I like that. So you see how it's not under it anymore, and then you're just gonna go, and when you hover over it, you're gonna see all the thingy things. I really like that online. I don't know why, but I like that online. The badges are the on sale. Oh my god. So the on sale, that's the badge. We talked about that earlier. You can change it to a bar. That's how I have mine on my website. And then you have inline, which means it's just going to go with the rest. I like for it to stand out, so I would either go with bar or circle. You have product image style, crop to square, fit to square. Crop to square is better because it won't cut off any of your images. If it fits to square, it might cut off some of the image. Product grid image size. You don't want huge pictures, you know. You don't want that. That was another thing with me with this. You can just change this. I didn't want this to be too big, which is how I got the idea to split it up with the welcome in that. But let me show y'all. This is what it looks medium. They're much bigger. So if you have a lower number of featured products, I guess you could do that, but this setting is also for it's also for like when you get to your product page, like view all products. So it's also for this, so you'll have larger images, and I think this size is just fine, honestly. So I would go with small. This is how large look. See how big it is? Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like to be scrolling for days just to get to the next image. But then you have product grid layout. The previous way I showed y'all was the I don't too much know the difference between monastery and rose because they look the same to me. But hey, enable product grid spacing. That just ensures that they're not right next to each other. That's right, this right here. So when you take it off, it's gonna look like this. See how, yeah, that's tacky to me. Then you have color overlay, gradient overlay, and stuff like that. It doesn't really make that much of a difference if you ask me. But you guys see how like how the images don't look as clear anymore, or maybe you guys can't see. But yes, that's another reason I would like to keep it small, because the images just look way more clear and neat. So I'm gonna go back and change it back to small because I'm tired of looking at this. So you have header position. I really want y'all to pay attention to the next couple of minutes of this video, because this is how you change all of this, just in case if you don't like it. So header position, you could have it at the center if you would like, and that's basically just this, your what do you call this, your logo. You can have it at the center if you would like. Mine is over here, but I am going to change it to the center, because your logo should be something that people know. You want people to recognize your logo. So you have sidebar and product details. You can change that to right align. I'm so sorry, just give me a second because I'm trying to figure out the difference. Okay, nothing changed. Anyways, wait. No, nothing changed. Enable layout margins. We're gonna keep that how it is. Desktop. These next two settings are for desktops, which means it's for computers and laptops. So the style, you have fixed width or full width. Oh, I like full width actually, but basically it just makes it, full width makes it a little smaller, and fixed width is going to fix it to the screen, so it makes it look more full, which is crazy because they're opposites. I know it's kind of hard to focus, so I'm gonna, yeah. Then you have, this is something that I had to play with a lot. Then you have desktop layout. So the first one, navigation above header, this is how it looks. So it means like whatever, all of this would just be here. To me, it just looks like some mess with all of the stuff that I have. All the different categories you have will be here, and then all of the different pages will be here. To me, it just looks like a mess. It's too much. Below header is what we've been had. That's this. Sidebar and header is going to give you the three. This, and then that's when the right align, the sidebar, that's where this comes into place. You can have it at the right if you want. If you're gonna have it, I suggest you have it at the right so that people know to click it, because their cart is up there and then the amount that they're spending is up there, so they're gonna look up there and they're going to see the three bars. You also have sidebar and header with no toggle. That's that. I think this is kind of cool as well. It's just going to put all of the pages on the side right here. Oh, you can't see, I'm zoomed in, I'm so sorry. You guys can't see, I'm sorry. Sidebar and header with no toggle is going to pull the pages right here, and then sidebar and header is just going to put the sidebar by the numbers and stuff. Like I said, this is where it changes, where it says sidebar and product details. If you go to left align, it's going to put the sidebar over here. Right align is going to put it over there. Sidebar and header no toggle, I just showed you guys that. Sidebar without header, this is how it looks. Sidebar without header. So that basically means that the top part that was right here, they just take it all away and they put it all right here. So you can really play with that if you want to see how it looks with a that's pretty much the end of this video. But if you want to see like the different options and how it looks with a fully developed website, I'm going to go on my website and customize it really quick so you guys can see that. But I'm going to save what I have now, because this is the site that I'm going to be using to do these videos. So give me a second. I gotta be in class in like 1 minute, y'all. Don't forget to check out my website down below so you can see how it looks once you take your time and you put everything together. Okay, so this is my website in maintenance mode. I just want to show you guys like really how all of it looks. So I use navigation below header. Navigation without header, this is how it would look. And do you guys see how like this isn't even the main focus, and it doesn't look, this looks really cluttered and cramped to me. So I wouldn't do sidebar without header because that's how it looks. Sidebar with header and no toggle, this is how it looks. Kind of the same, right? Except for it doesn't have that part right there. So then you have sidebar and header. Same thing, just sidebar over here or even over here. I don't too much like that either. And then you have navigation below header. And that's what I have. So when I said that it looks too cluttered up here when you do navigation above header, this is what I mean. So the first thing people are going to see when they click on my website is all of this. I don't want them to see all of this when they first click on my website, because it's like, what? You know, I want them to see anything else but that, because that's ridiculous. I don't want them to see that when they first click on my website. So yeah, another thing was the header position. It's at the left now, but I'm going to change it to the center, and basically now my logo is just in the middle. Another thing that I will say that you will struggle with, and I haven't figured out how to do this, I would like for, of course, my logo to be bigger, but you know, we don't have a lot of space here, so so you kind of have to use your colors to help you. But of course I would want my logo to be bigger. And then you have rows and stuff like that, bars. Like I said, here you see how it's like a square and not the circle. Let's see what else. Oh, I also want to show y'all show inventory bars. This is how it's going to look. So I'm just, you can't do quick view on maintenance mode. Ugh. So I'm just going to click one. Show inventory bars. So when I click select length, nail, and shape, and then here, oh, it doesn't show on here. That's great. That's great. But I'm going to take that off. So yeah, I just want you guys to see kind of how stuff works once you put it all together. As you guys can see, I have my stuff centered. I like all my stuff centered. And then yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how this website looks basically mobile. Okay, so Tootsienailss with 2s's.bigcartel.com is going to be down below the link, so you guys can just click on it and visit and see for yourself and really explore to see how your website is going to turn out if you just stick with me and continue watching my videos. And this is how the home page is going to look. When you scroll all the way down, you have view all products. You know, you can click on products. You can still do the quick view. You just click the eye. You can still do the quick view, you know, view all products. You have the different pages and stuff like that. Remember the two rows side by side towards the end of the video when we went through every single last thing. This is where the small stuff come into detail. The feature, all of that, you don't have to worry about that. And then you have over here, and this is everything when you click the top 3 bars, which is why I put it at the beginning of the website, the mobile instructions, to click the 3 bars in the left corner, in the top left corner. And it's just me showing you how all of these pages and stuff look mobily, because things, you know, for the most part everything looks the same, but there are a little bit of formatting differences that no matter how you set up your website is going to be like that. and you want it to fit to the person's phone. So just leave it the way it is. And this website turned out really nice for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all of that. Share, like, comment, subscribe. I am so ready to do this giveaway, but I just don't have enough interactive subscribers, so I'm waiting for that. Remember, go check out my website down below. Follow me on Instagram and all of that good stuff.